Hello, creative mind. Welcome home. I'm Survival, and today I'll be introducing you to a double arm wire ring binder. So this is Survival's creativity printing press. So let's get to the machine. So these are the arms. You open up this like this. This is how you open it up. There is a spoon here, which you find here. Okay. Punches the paper. Okay, let's take an example. You put it this way, you pull down this, you punch the paper. I believe you can see it. You punches the paper, and then this one binds the paper. You have to put in the wire, and it will help you do the binding. So there are other things in this machine you want to know. This one is more like an extension. Maybe when you are when you are punching a paper that is bigger than A3. So you put it after punching, you put it here to continue to be work. This is what you use to adjust the paper. To adjust, to loosen it. After loosening it, after placing it where you want it to be, then you tighten it up. So it remains there. That is what it does. This is where you set the wire size. So this is it. It has a minimum of 4.7 mm and then a maximum of 14.3 mm. Take a good look at this paper I just pulled. You see that it's very close to the margin. You can increase or decrease the margin. I mean, when you pull it, it increases the margin. When you push it, it reduces the margin. So now I'm pulling it so that I can increase the margin. So let's punch this and see what it looks like. Okay. So if you take a look now, you see that I'm having more margin here. So that is what it does. Just in case maybe you want your the punching to start somewhere or end somewhere. This is how you do it. Once you pull anyone out, it's not going to punch. So it's only the ones that are not pulled out that will punch. Okay. So let's make it this way. I'm going to have okay. So I used to have just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 punches on this. So I pulled out these ones, they are not going to punch. Only the ones that are not pulled out will punch. So I believe you can see it. It's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those are the ones I set. Very important again is the waist beam. All the punches you make, this is where you are going to see it. So often try to clean up this section. Very important. So this is it. In our next class will be more practical. We'll be making jotters and a whole lot of stuff using this machine.